Let's talk about the LR3, so the LightRay complete system. This price is going to fluctuate depending on the customer's individual needs. So for, I guess, our purpose, we're going to talk about a complete package that's about $65,000. How does that work ROI-wise?
This is one of our better financing packages due to the industry costs. So currently on a $65,000, I'm going to say starter package. Obviously, you can go upwards of $100,000 or as low as 50, I think, on some cases. But on for quote purposes, we're using $65,000. That monthly payment is $1,380 a month. The industry average per job is between $3,500 and $5,000. So by keeping your capital in your pocket, the return on it is crazy. You're almost doubling your profits based on the monthly cost. And that will come down to as low as $345 a week. So numbers speak for themselves. I'm always going back to this, that our customers have better places to spend their cash, whether it's just keeping it liquid in case of emergencies, whether it's at the supply house for supplies. Something like this is a perfect fit for financing. Like I said, that $1,380 of payment is so cheap compared to what you're making per job.
Absolutely. And something else I'll mention about the LightRay system, this technology also saves so much time for the customer and so much of that stress for the customer that it's absolutely like a no-brainer.
And like I said, with the LightRay system, they're able to do multiple jobs in a day. Old style with the curing systems, they had to wait a long time. If the temperature wasn't right, there'd be issues. So there's guys out there that are using this multiple times in a day, 2 jobs a day, and the profit and the ROI is light years beyond anything else we're selling currently.
Yeah, absolutely.